Is going to be celebrating a big birthday today. It's Mr. Trash Wheel's birthday. The garbage gobbler has been helping to keep the Inner Harbor clean now for 3 full years. And to celebrate, Healthy Harbor has some fun events planned throughout the day, including, get this, they're feeding the trash wheel special trash cakes. Oh. Which I'm sure Mr. Trash Wheel will enjoy. Everything is free. It starts
he has
at
a sweet tooth, I hear.
11:30. In his Twitter profile, I think he says he doesn't like broccoli.
Okay.
He eats trash, but he doesn't like broccoli. So there's that.
I feel him on that one, right?